Students, good evening. Students who are in the online, am I audible? Okay. So now let's start the discussion. So as we discussed in the last session, today I'm talking about what is that concept I said today? I'm talking about string part 2. So previously we already had a discussion related to what? String handling. Today I'm keeping the heading called string handling part 2. I'm talking about string handling part 2. Previously, we had a discussion related to E colon 4 p.m. If I go for data types, there is a sequence category data type. There is a str data type. As a part of that, we had, this is the part 1. This is part 1. So I hope students and operations on str data. This is part 1, I can say. This is what we can call it as part 1. Okay. There indexing operation we did to get one value at a time. Later we did with what? Slicing operation to get substring. There is a range of characters. With that, syntax number 1, syntax number 2, and subpoints also, and most powerful points also. And there I said syntax number 2, syntax number 3, syntax number 4, and syntax number 5. And with the 5 rules, these are all the things we discussed already. Okay, students. So this is, I'm entering into the extension part of our string handling 1. String handling part 1 extension I'm talking about here. Okay, which is very easy and not that much difficult than string handling part 1. So as a part of, just I'm writing, as a part of str operations, in the bracket, indexing and slicing operations. You remembered now? Remembered or not? Yes. So indexing and slicing operations, we got we got what operations? Single value, single value, or what? Range of values. Range of values. Range of values in forward direction here. Forward direction, forward, and what? Backward directions. Already you have seen that. Backward directions. And you have seen that part, students. Either forward direction or backward direction by using various slicing syntaxes, correct? With indexing, we get what value only? Single value. And range of values forward and what? Backward directions. You know that now? Well, and today we do some different operations today. We do some different operations. Let me check one important point, whether you remembered or not. I just want to evaluate before going to this. Of course, whether you'll answer or not, I don't know, but I already said this. So let us run this. So here I am writing S is equal to Python. Print of S I am saying. S of 0 is called what? P. I want to change the value of P. I want to change the value of P with what? Jython. J. I want to use it. How do you change the value of P? Come on. S of 0 is equal to J. Is it the one? Correct? Correct? This is a wrong answer. In expectation, this is what you are going to commit mistake on it. This is what you are expecting. That is a wrong answer. I already said in the previously, str is one of the immutable object. Str is one of the immutable object. I already said in the class, which cannot be which will not allow the item assignment, which will not allow the item assignment. Error will come. str object does not support item assignment. str object does not support item assignment. Is it mutable or immutable? One, immutable. One more property also is said. Immutable object never allows what? Item assignment. Students, you are not remembering. See students. And print the ID also once. ID of yes. ID of yes. Now, I want to concatenate S is equal to S plus what? PROC. Possible or not possible? S is equal to S plus PROC. Possible or not possible? Quickly. Possible or not possible? Possible? Possible or not possible? Possible. Raise the hands. Possible. Possible. Raise the hands. Okay. Possible. At which address? At which address? Different address. At a different address. Different address. Print that yes of that, and it is placing at a different address. That means value not modified at which address? Same address. But it is possible to modify placing the value at different address. That is what I said in your class. Mutable and immutable point, I will open it. I'll open that things. An immutable object is one. Immutable object can't be changed at the same address in the bracket. Immutable object can be changed and modified value placed at a different address. There is one property satisfied. One property satisfied. Second property, immutable object never allows us to perform item assignment. So there I written str. str belongs to what? Immutable object. So today you completely forget about that points. You people completely forget about that. So finally, what I want to tell you now is, if you are going on forgetting, if I go on explaining, it's never ending story, students. Try to read. So I'm going to say string handling part 2. And one more thing, str object is one of the immutable object. Immutable object. Now I want to go for along with the indexing, and what next? Slicing operations. Slicing operations. We want to perform. We want to perform. We want to perform various operations. Various operations. Various operations I want to perform. What are those operations here? I just want to discuss. Various operations by using predefined functions. Predefined functions present in str object. str object. What are those functions? One by one I want to discuss. One by one I want to discuss, students, and they are very easy to remember, and that is your life of the application development. Let me go for discussing about the so many functions I will discuss. Shall I start up? Right. So look at, of course, I'll write the function names and I'll give the examples for you. Full length notes also I will send it to you. So the first function and the second function I will write it. I am writing capitalize, capitalize. And the next one more function I will write it. Very, very important things I'm going to start with. One more function I'm going to start with title of, title of, capitalize. And one more is called what? Title of. Like that, I will write so many number of functions, students, so many functions. So many number of functions I will write it. So many functions I'll write it, which are very important in your application development. So many things I'm going on writing it. All of you must carefully listen it. I'm going to show the example one by one. S is equal to what? See that now. Python I am writing. So print of what I am saying? Yes. Yes, I am writing. So I'm writing yes dot title of. Capitalize first of all. Capitalize. Capitalize. What is the effect of that you see? The name itself says what? The S data will become what? First letter will become capital here. For example, is this P small p becomes capital P or not? So this is the capitalize function. Be careful. What is the value of S now? What is the value of S? Is it small Python or this type of Python? Small Python or capital P Python? Capital P Python. That is the wrong answer. That is the wrong answer. If I say A is equal to 1, A plus 1, what is the value printed? 2. What is the value of A now? 1 only. Here also same thing. I'm just taking the data of yes, I'm displaying only the result like A plus 1. If I write A is equal to A plus 1, that time A value will be what? 2. So here print of yes, it is going to contain still what? Old value only. Are you following me? So if I write S is equal to Python, if I say yes dot capitalize, first print that, keep it in yes itself, print that yes value here. It is going to be printing what? Capital Python. I hope you are following. So let me go to the multiple example students, online students. Now I'm taking Python once again. I'm taking print of that yes dot what I'm taking title of. Before actually today I need to start with loops because in loops I need this str functions I need. That's why I'm using first I'm explaining str functions today. So str title. So it is also going to look like the same output only. So look this now. Python capital P is available or not? That means one word I'm taking. I'm applying s dot capitalize and s dot title. Both of them give what answer? Same answer. Like take care. Now I'm writing Python is an OOP language. Now I wrote like this. I'm taking a sentence, students. I'm taking a sentence format. Yes dot what here capitalize. What is happening? You see. Yes dot capitalize. See what is happening here. It is so simple to understand. What is happening? Capitalize indicates when you are writing any sentence, first letter of the first word will be written what? Capital. Rest of them will be same only. Rest of them will be same only. Print of yes once again. The old data only printed. Online students, old data only. When you write yes dot title of, what is happening? It will make every word first letter as a capital. Every word first letter as a capital. Every word first letter as a capital. Are you observing that? Every word first letter as a capital. This is the basic question you will come across in the interview point of view. What is the difference between title of and capitalize of? So capitalize will make the first letter as capital and yes dot title of will make so those things as every word first letter as capital. Now let us take one more time. I'm writing Python is an OOP language. Like this, I wrote it. Be careful. Print off this yes and yes dot what here? Yes dot what here? This is my data. Yes dot capitalize. What is happening? Tell me. First word, first letter is what? Capital will come. This is the one. By default, it is there only. The rest of them will be made as what? Normal case only. Are you able to follow? Look at that now. Python P capital anyhow, that will be there. Rest of them will be made as what? Sentence format only like. Are you able to follow? Next, print this yes once again here. Print this yes once again here. So take this data, take this data here. This is my data. Print of this yes. Now I'm writing yes dot title of. Yes dot title of. I'm doing. What is happening? That also you see. It is going to become what? Python P capital is I capital and A capital. Rest of them made as what? Small only. OOP only one O capital, other OP. Lang L capital. Rest of them what? Small. Are you able to follow? This is related to what? What is this is related to? Making the things as what? Title and capitalize. Clear? Now, next one more thing I am writing. Python Python developed by Guido Van Rossum full stop. Now I'm writing Python is an OOP language. This is what I wrote it. This is called what? One sentence and another sentence also I wrote. This is a final example. Yes, print of this yes you see as it is printed. Then you say yes dot what? Capitalize. S dot capitalize. What will happen? Generally, students will think what? P capital and another P capital also they will expect. But here, what is happening? Only one P is capital. Only one P is capital. Rest of them will be normal only. Did you understand this? Now you go to print off this yes once again. Normal data only, old data only printed. Yes dot what you write it? Title of you printed. Title of you printed. See what is happening. Do you think that R capital will come or not? Come on. What about this P? Will you get capital or small? Let us watch this now. Let us watch this now. Python developed Guido Van Rossum. Python is an OOP language. I think you are following this. So I said with one word I said, with a sentence I said, with a multiple sentences I said, and you are understanding the meaning of what? Capitalize and title. Did you understand this? Well, now I'm going to introduce, this is about capitalize and right. Now I'm going to take up. If you want, I'll just keep this example for you. This part, I'm going to keep an example. So here, I will write it, the function name, and I'm writing here, capitalize, and what next? Title of, title of. Under that example I'm going to give you. And students, this today onwards, I'm not adjusting it. Taking like this, I'm not adjusting because you already understood now. You understood that. This is called an instruction. The down one is called what? Answer. That you understood now? So I need not to do again and again. I don't want because already you understood me and I need not to do this adjustment. Okay, students? So try to take care of such things and do by yourself. This is an example. This also I will post to you. Right. How many functions you know now? Come on, start with now. Already you know. What is the function? Capitalize, title of. Easier? Next. One more function I'm going to take it. Students, one more function I'm going to take up. What is the function name now? Count. What is the function name? Count. Let us go to the count of. Easy. So don't make much time. S is equal to Mississippi. Mississippi. I'm taking Mississippi. Print of what now? S comma type of S. Of course, that is str only. Now I want to count it. How many times the letter I is coming? How many times the letter S is available? How many times the letter P is available? How do you write it? S dot count of what? M. S dot count of M. What is the value printed there? 1. So count function present into where? str. S dot count of what I'm taking now? I'm taking S. Yes, I'm taking. What are the letters? How many letters are there? 4. S dot count of where I'm taking P I'm taking. It is going to be giving like this. S dot what I'm writing? I 4. Are you able to follow? So this is nothing but what? Count will give you what? Number of occurrences of the specified value inside of where? That yes. Clear or not clear? Now, very recent question. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. This is my data. So they're asking how many digits ones are there. Actually, this is the data given like this, not directly like that. They gave like that. They gave like this. So they gave like this. They said, find how many times one repeated. How many times one repeated. This is called which data, first of all? int type, that is s comma type of what? Yes. S comma type of yes. This is which type? So when I write s dot count of 1, if I write, error will come. Whether s is which type? Count type. It will give you error or not. Count function is not there in which class? Error will come. Attribute error. Attribute error. Int object has no attribute called what? Count. So convert this into what type? String type. How do you convert? S is equal to str of s only, or you can say s1 is equal to str of s. Now you print s1 comma type of what? S1. Type of S1. So I got the data. S1 dot S1 dot count of what? 1 you say. What is coming? S1 dot count of 1. That too 1 I wrote numeric value. I have to write it in double quotes. So I have to write it in where? Either single quote or you need to write within double quotes. So see students, 1 is coming how many times? 4 times. Here I am writing 2. You write 2. How many times? 5. 5. Suppose you want to write only 1, for example, 3 I will write it. str of 3 I will write it. 3 is numeric actually. I am converting into which type? str type. 4. So 3 is available how many times? 4. Online students, are you able to understand? Rakesh, can we use single quotes? Here I used already now. My dear student, where are you, my dear student? Are you in election campaigning? Huh? Rakesh, are you in election campaigning, my dear student? Am I using single quotes only now? So, coming to the point back, here I'm going to use it. Here I'm using, if he asks one meaning, sir, can I use a triple single quote? Then there is a meaning. I used to really appreciate him. So, what is this now? So, Chaitanya Prasad, previously you said to use LEN of input to find the letters. Did I say? Did I say that? What I am saying? Chaitanya Prasad, you are completely blunder. You are completely blunder. Completely blunder. Blunder to listen my concept. Blunder to listen my concepts. Absolutely, you are blind. You are blind also. So I did not say any time to. This is what very danger things. I said LEN is to find the number of characters. If you say like that, I'll get so much of irritation. This is a useless doubt. A very useless doubt this is. So I said in my class, yeah, I said in my class, LEN of what? LEN of what? Python. LEN of Python. Or LEN of Mississippi. LEN of Mississippi. Because you see this. This is called 11. Yes, L1 dot. The same thing. If I go to that, if I go to that, if I go to this place, dot count of what? I. It is going to be what? 4. How LEN is different from this? Are you there, Mr. Chaitanya Prasad? Are you there? Did I say this now? Students, online students, did I say this? I did not say any time. I did not say any time. I did not say any time. If you are having any problem, if you have any problem like this, it is a completely very much wrong in my class. Completely, this is a blunder. I did not say this any time. LEN is used for what? To find number of characters in a given str. Count is used to find the number of occurrences of a particular value. Are all of them same or different? Different. Are you following? Even a count function came in where list also is set. So without I am saying, if you say, sir, you said earlier, I did not say any time. If any time if I say, I need proof. So I need proof. I need everything. Mr. Chaitanya Prasad, if you are there, you can respond also. So coming to the point back. Because if I did not say, if you say like that, because I am the one which I never say wrong in the class. because I am perfect. I'll teach perfect subject. If you say like a politician, on that politician, this politician saying, this politician, that politician saying, I never like it. Okay, I will get very much tension for that about your future. Who said this? K.V.R. sir said means you will say means I lose my name. Did I say that? LEN is for what? To find the number of characters. Count function is to count the number of occurrences of a particular letter. This is what I said in the class. Are you able to follow? Yes. So coming to the point back, here I am going to write count. Count is used to count number of occurrences of a particular letter. So once again I am saying take this data, take this data, yes dot what? Count of what? 1. Count of 1. It will give you what? 4. LN of what? Yes. 18. Same, huh? This is what is the difference. Chaitanya Prasad, are you there? So, coming to the point of it. So, this is a 1. I just want to tell him. So, here, coming to the point back. Now, I'm going to take up next one. I'm going to take up. I'm going to say, are you able to follow? Count function as well as what? Title function. LEN function is also there. That's the general function. LEN and count is same or different? Different. Different. Now let us move to the further. One more function I am going to take it. Another function is called what you know? Swap case function. What is the function name? Swap case. Most useful function it is. Now coming to the another example. This part I will carry, students. This part I will carry. Here I will carry. In our case, here I am giving some example for you. So here it is going to be like this. So Chaitanya Prasad also may be feeling, because if I did not say, he is saying that you said, but I did not say. I will overreact on it because I am perfect. You need to talk to me perfectly only. Something wrong, I will overreact on it 100%. So this is the data. This is the data. And this is the one. And you need to have acceptance also. Once you're doing wrong, wrong is wrong. Accepting. If I actually say, I will accept it. If I did not say, why should I accept it? Real is real. That's all. Whatever it might be the loss. So here, convert that str data into this. Now I'm going to get this now. So here, I will go for yes dot count. This will give you an error here. Error here. This is a 1. S1 of count of S1 of count of 2. This is a 1. S1 of count of str of 3. Different models. Mississippi LEN is different from count of, completely different from count of. So here count is different, LEN is different. LEN is different. Are you following? Yes. So come to next one, another function I am talking about. Swap case I am going to talk. Swap case. So how this swap case will work? The name itself says swap case. Very, very easy. S is equal to P Y T H O N. What is this? One letter capital, one letter small, one letter capital, one letter small. Print of what? Yes. Now I'm doing what? Yes or not a swap case. What a meaning of swapping? Interchanging. What is this letter? Upper P. Now it will become what? Lower P. What is this now? Small y. That will become what? Upper. Upper will become lower, lower will become upper. That is known as what? Right. So this is also one of the most important questions in company. Write a Python program which will swap the case of the given string data. And you take any student, they don't know these functions. Without functions, if we go to the industry, you cannot do anything else. These functions are important. See the answer now. Capital P becomes small or not? Small y becomes what? So done. See students, S is equal to, let me go to one more. Python I am taking, Python. What is this now? Completely upper, completely upper. Print of S. I am doing what? Swap case. What is the case is given? Upper. If I do that, it will become everything into lower, lower. Getting lower or not? S is equal to Python I am writing. S is equal to Python. I am going to say print of S, it is a lower. And swap case of everything will come in where? Upper. I hope you are following. Are you following? Right. Last and final. PYT HON. Half letter small, half letter capital. Print of S. Print of S. S dot swap case. What is happening? PYT capital is becoming small. HON small is becoming what? Upper. Understood? Good. Now I'm going to say S is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Print of S dot swap case. What will happen? As it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Don't think that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is it like that? So special symbols, digits will not have any swapping the case. These functions are applicable only for what? Alphabets. So this will remain same. Understood that? So here S is equal to PYTHON 3.12. If I write it, print of S, print of swap case, it is going to print P small, Y capital, THO small, and N is capital, and 3.12 remains same. Did you understand swap case example? Online students, please respond once. This is about swap case concept. Online students, Chaitanya Prasad. Okay. So coming to that, Chaitanya Prasad might be felt because are given direct reacting on it. How much I felt, student, you tell me. How much I feel. I'm first of all little sensitive. Sensitive. Really, very much sensitive I am. So Chaitanya Prasad. Okay. Now coming to the point back. Now I'm going to come to the point. So no problem. If you understand, no problem. Now I'll move to the further. Let it be. If he understand, no problem. Even he is not responding because KVSR is shouting on me. Shouting on you because of to change your mindset. Correct or not? Actually, it is good. He explored his things. Previously, you said to use ln of. This is wrong. I changed his mindset. I am very good teacher actually. Suppose if I can ignore this. If I ignore, what will happen? Tomorrow you will go to interview. You will commit mistake. I thanks to my teacher, he is shouting on me, making me to learn subject today. Really good teacher or not? So now Chaitanya Prasad will talk to me. Chaitanya Prasad, come to the front. Now, come to the front. I'll move to the further. He will not respond. I'll go to the further thing. Right. Chaitanya Prasad. He understood. He put his hands on the heart. Asked, is Sari saying correct? Yes. Sari saying correct only. He also realized. All my students will realize. That is my confidence. 100%. I changed his mindset also. So K.V.Rao sir is very kind-hearted actually. But if you disturb me, I will also shout on you. It's my style. And I'll make you good in my subject. Okay? Right, Krishna Prasad, Chaitanya Prasad. Now I'll continue. So I'll move to the further here. Come to the point back. Here I'm going to take out one more function carefully. Did you understand swap case? Now, here I'm going to take out upper of. What is the function name? Upper of. One more function also I will write. What is that? Lower of. Upper of and then lower of. Carefully follow. Carefully follow. S is equal to Python. Careful, careful. S is equal to Python. Print of what? Yes. S dot what? Upper of. It is the name itself says converting into which one? This is everything is small. Converted into what? Upper. So anything lower, it will convert into upper. If anything is upper, it won't convert anything. So this is called what? Upper of. S is equal to, S is equal to, I'm taking PYT, HON. Print of this S, upper of. What will happen? PYT remains same only. HON will become upper or not? What is the difference between swap case and here? See students, when I say this print of S, this is called PYT. When I say S dot what? S dot what? Swap case. It is going to become PYT small, HON capital. PYT small, HON capital. Is swap case and upper same? No. But beginning, when you come to everything is small like that, when you say S dot what? Print of this S. S dot swap case is upper. Print of this S student. S dot what again here? Upper if we say upper of, if we say upper of, it is going to print what? Capital. I think you are following. In this case, both of them are same, but other case it is completely different. Did you understand? Now, online students, did you understand students? Upper of function is clear. Go to next, another function is called what? Lower of. Take the example, S is equal to what you know? Python. S is equal to Python. Print of what now? Yes. S dot what now? Lower of. That will convert S data completely into what? Lower. If it is lower only. Other than lower means it will convert into what? Lower format. What is an output now? Python. Yes, earlier it was what? Upper. Converted into what? Lower. Are you able to follow? Even if I print that yes, it is having upper only. Yes dot what now? Swap case. That is also converted into what? Lower. But is lower and swap case is same? Now let me show you the difference. PYT, HON, you say print of this yes. Now tell this one lower of what it becomes. PYT will convert into what? Lower. But HON remains same only. It is remains same only. Are you following? You print this yes students, you upper swap case of what will happen? PYT will become lower, HON will become upper. I hope you are following. PYT will become lower and HON will become what? Upper. I hope you are following me. So are you understanding the difference between lower and upper? Good. Now I am going to say upper and lower you are understanding. Online students, I think you are following. Spell out the functions now. Capitalize, title of, count of, swap case of, upper of, lower of. Easy or difficult? Indexing and slicing, very difficult. Slicing, rule 1, rule 2, syntax 1, rule 2, difficult. But that difficulty will make us today very easy. Next, I'll go to one more. Lower of, upper of, you have done it. Next, I'm going to enter into the further. S is equal to another one. I'm going to enter into that. What is another one? Is upper of. What is the function name spell out? Is upper of. That means this itself is going to give you a question mark kind of explanation. Correct? This itself is giving a concept called what? Question mark kind of concept. This itself is giving a question mark related kind of concept. Understand, ma? So, is upper of. One more function I will take it. Is lower of. Is lower of. Now I am saying the answer. Expect it. Is lower of, is upper of gives what type of result? Boolean result. So, is upper of returns true provided the given data completely what? Upper. Is lower of given true when the complete data is in lowercase. Let us go there. Now I am writing Python here, Python here. I hope you are understanding this upper and lower example. Let me take up to here. This part I will carry. Here I will take up. What are the function names? Upper of and lower of. Anyway, you will get that example, students. Don't worry. Just I'm putting for your clarity purpose. So here, this is about the function names. Now I'm going to take up what next? What are the functions here? Is upper of and is lower of. Easy. Is upper of, is lower of. These are the most useful functions, students. Most useful functions these are. S is equal to Python. Tell me. Print of S. Print of S. What I'm saying? S dot is upper of. What is the answer? Come on. True. True. Why true? Because completely what? Upper of. S dot what? Is lower of. False. Why false? Not even one letter is lower. Everything is what? Upper. It is returning what? False. Now I am writing S is equal to Python. I am saying. Come on now. Print of this S. Is upper of. False. Is lower of. True. Good. Now students. S is equal to PYT HON. PYT HON. Print the S value. Is upper of. False. Why false? HON. HON is what? Small. That's why it is called what? Come on. False. S dot is lower of. False. Why? There is a uppercase is there. That is also called a false. Both of them false. Did you understand? Right. S is equal to 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Some special symbols are also there. Print of this S. Now, S dot upper of. False. Because upper of, lower of is applicable only for alphabets, but not for S dot is upper of. False. False. S dot is lower of. False. Last and final. Very, very important. P1234. P1234. Very great question. P dot is upper of. Come on. False or true? No? Huh? False. It is true. It is considering only an alphabet. It never consider about what? Numbers. So see the answer called what? True. See how many possibilities. Generally, people will think that it is a false. But 1, 2, 3, 4 will not be considered at all. It takes only what? Yes. Now, P dot what? Lower. False. False. S is equal to 1, 2, 3, small p, 4, 5, 6. Sorry. 4, 5, 6. S dot is lower of. True. Is not upper of. False. Are you following? This is related to upper and is lower of and is upper of. I hope you are understanding the meaning of what is upper of and is lower of. Is it difficult? Dead easy. It is not a problem at all. It is a dead easy. Easiest functions. Easiest functions. So coming to the point back, now I will move to the further is lower of. Now I'm going to introduce one more function. Very, very useful function. Next function is digit. Is digit. Spell out. Is digit. Returns true when the string contains a digit. When the string contains purely digits. Go. Most useful. S is equal to 1, 2, 3. Is it digit? Is it purely contains digits? Yes. Print of yes. Now S dot what? Is digit. Come on. Is digit. What is the answer? True. Why? Purely digits are there. Purely digits are there. S is equal to S is equal to Python. Python 1, 2, 3. Is digit false. Why? It is containing some alphabets. It is going to give you error. That is nothing but what? False. False. Are you following me? 1 to 1 to S is equal to very dangerous question. 12.34. 12.34 is digit. Come on. True or false? False. Why? Dot. Dot is one of the special symbol. Generally, people will think it is also float number. But this float number is not a float data type. It is a string. String is nothing but a special symbol it is considered. It is called what? False. Are you following? This is about each digit kind of thing. Able to understand? So each digit returns true provided when it exists only what? Numerics. It contains only what? Numerics. So each digit, very, very useful thing. So each digit concept I'm going to take up. So here I'm going to take up this example. I will take it. Lot of questions will be coming on this area. So here each digit kind of thing is coming. Similarly, one more function I'm going to tell you. Come on. Is alpha. Spell out. Is alpha. Function name is alpha. Is alpha. Come on. Expect. You only decide. Is alpha returns true. Is alpha returns true. Naveen. S is equal to 12.34 is true or false, sir, in the case of float, my dear student. A is equal to 12.34. 12.34. Definitely it is going to be what? Digits only there. But that A will not contain what? Each digit function is not there. Each digit function is available in where? STR. Are you able to follow? STR only containing each digit. So that each digit is not going to contain the value called what? This kind of thing. If I write A dot each digit, it is going to give you problem. Each digit, it is going to give you problem. Which error? Attribute error. Attribute error. Are you following me? So like that you need to carry on. Able to understand? Fine. So it is applicable only for string data. I think other things are not possible. Now I am going to enter into the further. Is alpha, is digit. So some student, Srinu, is another student. So I'll see his doubt. His doubt I will see. So his doubt I will see. What is his doubt I will see. Look into his doubt once. So the doubt is upper, is lower, gives Boolean results. But when the data is in the form of numerics, special characters, it displays numeric result. But numeric result is not a Boolean result. But a numeric result is not a int type, float type. Int type, float type, no. Int type, float type are available in which type? STR type. So he is saying concept or doubt, I don't know. Is upper, is lower gives Boolean result. But when the data is in the form of numerics or special characters, it displays numeric result. But numeric result is not a Boolean result. Is your question or you are saying the concept or? Are you saying the concept or your doubt? So I already said is lower, is upper, is working only on alphabets, never applicable for numbers. That is what I already said. So, I already said to you that is digit, is upper, is lower, is applicable only for alphabets, but not for digits. So if it is 1, we cannot write 1 like this. If it is 2, we cannot write 2 like this. If it is 3, we cannot write 3 like this. If we have that type of thing, this is also almost very dangerous doubt. So coming to the point back. So coming to the point back, another kind of thing. Are you following me? Is alpha? Is alpha I'm going to discuss. Coming to S is equal to Python, I'm going to take it. Is alpha returns true provided the string object contains purely what? Alphabets. Purely alphabets are present. Is alpha returns what? True. S dot is alpha. is alpha. In my application development, I will use all these functions. Is alpha. So S is equal to, I'm taking, Python 3.10. Python 3.10. Come on, answer. False. Why false? Numerics are there. It is false. Are you following? S is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 is alpha. False. S is equal to what Python PROC. S dot is alpha. False. Space. 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 Are you following? This is comes under what? Is alpha. Is alpha returns true, provided the S will contain purely what? Alphabets. Are you following me? So, in further, I'll tell you, Python programming is something like your name is, for example, Guido Van Rossum. This is called what? Rossum. It is a valid name or invalid name? It is a purely valid name. Because purely what are available? Alphabets are available. Alphabets are available. If you say Guido 3 Van Rossum, is it valid or invalid? Because there is a digit is available. This is not possible. You may ask, sir, here also some spaces are there. I'm going to apply some special technique for you. To apply the special techniques, I need the string related functions because strings are very important in real time. Lot of questions will come from strings for you. Okay, now. So let us move to the is alpha false is coming. Is alpha false is coming. And is alpha again false. Is alpha purely alphabets are there. It is going to come like this. Are you understanding? A small technique I will tell you. S is equal to, I say here, Guido Van Rossum, I am going to say. Of course, this is the one. What happens? Here I am going to take up. This is my data. Guido Van Rossum. S dot what? Is alpha. Is alpha. It is going to be false. Why false? Because there is some spaces there. Later I will do what? Very soon I am going to split this into what? Different words. When I split into different words, what will happen? Guido one word, Van one word, Rossum another word. On that words I will call which function? Is alpha, is alpha, is alpha. Three times is alpha returns what? True only. So it is called what? Valid. So that type I will apply that type of logic. So I hope students, you understood the meaning of what? Is alpha. Is alpha concept is clear. Online students, is it clear for you? So further you go to the example part here. So I'll take it is alpha related examples. Simple. This is a very simplest class. So there I'm having a data like this. Very simple here. So I think I need not to replace it. So I'm going to take up this data and next I'm going to enter into one more. So what is the question is coming in the further? For example, if you go to an interview, given text, they will ask like the students, given text, what is given? Something like PY, 1, 2, TH, some 6, O, and 4, and N, something like 9. They will ask you, get the characters separately, get the numbers separately, get the digits separately, get the characters separately. That time what I will apply? I'll get the first letter using loops. You'll get the first letter P. Is it an alpha? True. Print separately. Next letter, what is the next letter? Y. Is it an alpha? Yes. Add separately. Append to the list. Next letter is called what? 1. Is it an alpha? No. Next, is it a digit? Yes. Print separately. Is it a digit? Yes. Is it an alpha? So put it into the digits list. Is it characters? Yes. Get that character, add to the list. Is it a digit? Yes. Is it alpha? No. Add to the digits. O character, digit, and like that. Not only that, I will have special symbols also. Special symbol also you will have. Special symbols separately, letters separately, digits separately. I will take up separately those kind of things. Let us go to the one more example here. One more example. What is my next thing? There is a, I will take like this. Look at students. S is equal to, I'm taking here Python, Python. I'm writing 312. What is this Python 312? We have seen about what? Is digit. Is digit you have seen. Next is called what? Is alpha you have seen. Is alpha you have seen. This is the one I said. There is one more thing called what? Is digit, is alpha. What is the next one? This is comes under what? Combination of what? Alpha. This is combination of alpha. 312 is called what? Numeric. So it is a combined together I am taking. For numerics is concerned, I'll go for what? Digit. For alpha is concerned, I'll go for what? Purely alphabets. Combination of together, combined together is going to come. Suppose somebody enter the value 1, 2, 3. I entered. What is 1, 2, 3? It is a number. Somebody enter a Python. What is this Python? It is a string. Somebody will enter a Python 1, 2, 3. I should print it is an alphanumeric. Somebody will enter a dollar. It is called a special symbol. Are you able to understand? So how do you decide? Either numerics or alphabets or special symbol or what? Alphanumeric. For that there is a function. For the function you are expecting? Come on. Is, come on. Is alpha numeric. This is what you are expecting. In this place, the big one, they said is AL stands for what? Alpha. NUM. This is a function name. What is the function name now? Is ALNUM. Is ALNUM. Yes dot is ALNUM. What is the answer now? True. Is ALNUM. It is true. Are you able to follow? S is equal to 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 Java. S dot is ALNUM. What is that now? True. S is equal to Python, Python only. See students, is ALNUM returns true in three cases. Number one possibility, when it contains purely alphabets. Listen, when it contains purely what? Alphabets, returns true. When it contains purely what also? Digits. Digits. When it contains purely what? Alpha plus what? Numbers. Only. In this case only it returns true. Other than that returns what? False. Other than that returns false means what? Any special symbols are available. Along with what? Alphas plus numbers. Any special symbol is present. That time returns what? False. Did you understand that? Come on now. Here I am writing Python. Come on. EJLNAM. What it says? True. It says true. S is equal to 1, 2, 3. What is EJLNAM? True. It is also true. In the case of mixed data, true. In the case of purely alphabets, true. In the case of numbers, true. S is equal to Python 3.12 is ALNAM. False, because there is a special symbol called a dot. Are you following? S is equal to Python space 312. False. Why false? Yes. Are you following? This is related to what function? Is ALNUM. Is ALNUM. So go to the place. This is comes under is ALNUM. Is ALNUM related to is ALNUM. Clear or not clear? Clear. This is clear. Is ALNUM is clear. So this is clear, students. Now I'll go to the one more thing. One more thing I will go to it. What is the next one? Is lower, is digit, is ALNAM. Next I'm going to take up, come on, S is equal to double quotes. Space, 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 space. I want to decide the spaces also. Are you following? Come on, is. Come on. Is space. Returns what? True. S is equal to what? I am not giving any space. Just what is that now? Is space. False. Because there is no space is entered. Here there is some space is there. S is equal to Python space 1, 2, 3. What is the answer? True. Is space returns true when it has no letters at all. Name itself says. Name itself says what? Is space means it completely contains space only. Here what is available? Alphabets are there. What is the answer? False. S is equal to 1, 2, 3 space 4, 5, 6 space 7, 8, 9. S dot E space. False. Where it can be useful? Python is an OOP language. When I'm retrieving Python, these are all called what? Alphas. Next what is coming? Space. Is it space? Huh? No, no. Space is coming. Is it space? Yes. Count the space. Next is alpha. Another space. Is it space? Yes. Is it space? Is it space? Take one counter variable and count the number of spaces in the given sentence. That time I will use which function? Is a space function. Just to remember separately, I will take care of it in the coding part. So what is the function name now? Is a space. Very, very useful. Is a space function. So this is about is a space concept is done. See students, is a space. This is an example done. Now I will go to the next moment of it. Another moment of it. What is the next moment of it? This is the function name called is space. Clear or not clear? So see is lower, is upper, is lower, is digit, is alpha, is space. Will you remember all of them? Just tell me what are the things you learned? Capitalize, title of, uh, count of, swap case, upper of, lower of, is upper of, is lower of, is alpha, is digit, is space, is ALNUM. These many number of things are there. Remember of all of them. Yes, is ALNUM. Is ALNUM. I did not write down. So maybe here I will write. Yes, I will write here. Is ALNUM. Is ALNUM. Students, now I'm going to introduce one more. These are all done. Next, I'm going to introduce index of. What is the function name? Index of. These are beautiful. S is equal to Python. S is equal to Python. S dot index of P. S dot it. Even you learned already in the list also. Index of P, you will be getting 0. But index of will give you first occurrence only. First occurrence only. Of course, all the letters are unique only. But you know, now you take it. So radar, you take it, radar. So what is happening now? S dot index of what? R. That will give you only what? First letter occurrence index only it will give you. It will not give you what? Other occurrence index. S is equal to what? Something like Mississippi. Mississippi. This is my data. S dot what? Index of what? I. S dot index of I. Only first occurrence only will come. How do you get other indexes? How do you get other indexes? Which function? Huh? Which function? ఎందుకే మీరు అసలు వేస్ట్ అసలు సో ఇండెక్స్ కామా క్యార్ ఇండెక్స్ కామా క్యార్ in enumerate of s enumerate function already explained. Yes sir, yes sir. So ind comma I will write what you know comma what? CH. It will print all the letters indexes. But I want which index today? I. I wrote this code in our notes also. CH is equal to what? I. CH is equal to I. Null print what you know? Print of what? IND comma that letter I will print it. Say here. This one you see. This is the data. I is present into these many indexes. I is present into these many indexes. Are you able to follow? The letter I is present in here. The letter I is present here. The letter I is present here. The letter I is present here. I think you are following me. Are you able to follow now? So, coming to the point back. This is about which function? Enumerate. This I was already explained in the our list class also I explained. If you don't remember, what can I do, students? Generally, who will forget very regularly the concept? All senior citizens and those who exceed the age, old people. They kept the keys somewhere and searching. Where is my keys kept? Keys are there in packet only. Searching here and there. Like that. Notes is there with you only in your packet only. But searching, where is that? Correct? Correct or wrong? Yes. So go to the place. Here I am writing in this place. What is the function name? Index of. This is an example of index of. So notes reading is blessings for you always. If you don't read the notes, as long as if you don't read the notes, there is no history created. Without reading notes, succeeding in the life is impossible. Reading, practicing, attending daily class will give you ultimate career. 100%. Come to the point back. Now one student asked a question. So Manohar is asking a question. See the Manohar question under the questioning part. So Manohar question, I am going to keep it. All of you watch this question. Python, you see this is saying here space is there. Here space is there. 0::7 is saying is space is calling. First of all, you carry this example and see that. What is this is space and space is calling? This is one space. This is called what? Python. I hope I am thinking that he gave only one space. I thinking that he gave only one space. I'm thinking, but it's only visible like that. THON and this is a space. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7. He is saying what? 0 to 7. 0 to 7 means what? This one. It is added. 0::: means 0 onwards to where? 7. 7 means what? 0 to this indicate total. Total. That last 7 indicate what? Step. Step. So what is that one will be taken? These two will be taken. He is asking is space. What is that? First of all, it will give you attribute error. First of all, it will give you what error? Attribute error. Attribute error. First one. Next, I'm going to say yes small. This yes small. Yes small. True. Understood? Got it up? Right. Manohar is from Java, I think so. Manohar is from Java. In Java, I think any word is there. First word, first letter is small. Rest of the words will write capital letters. That is a Java style. That is called camel case notation we can call. Hungarian notation we can call. Manohar, did you understand, my dear student? Did you understand this? Yes. So others also understood? Right. So let us coming to that. S is equal to JA space VA. S of what? 0, 1, 2. I will write a 2:3. Dot what? Is a space. 2:3 means what? 2 to 3 minus 1. That is 2 only. Is a space. Yes. True. Following up? Simple. Nothing is difficult. So done. This is done. Go to the place. Now my place here. Index of function is done. Now I'm going to take it. One more thing, very, very important. Here I'm writing something like this. See students, S is equal to, S is equal to Python is an OOP language. Somebody is asking, very, very important. Somebody is asking, how many words are there in this sentence? Number of letters, no. Words. Python is one word, is one word, an is one word, OOP one word, or lang is another word. How many words are there? 5. I am not asking number of letters, number of words. To print the number of words, there is one function called what? Split. What is the function name? Split. And how do you know the number of words? In English, there is a space. There is a space. Space is called the separation between the words or not? Space is called what? Delimiter. Default delimiter. Delimiter is nothing but one sort of word separation. Comma separation, semicolon separation. These are all called what? Delimiters in English. So today I want word separation. Space separated words I want. Space separated words I want. How do I do that? Yes dot split off. Here I did not pass any argument over there. If I don't pass any argument, what is the default argument as a delimiter? Space. The S data split into different words by taken space as a delimiter that returns list of words. I will hold it into left side one variable. X contains Python is an OOP language. These are the words are going to put it into X. Are you able to follow now? Are you able to get it or not? So X contains what? All the words are going to be available. What is the type of X? List. Print of what? X comma type of X. Already you know functions. Split is a function which returns the data in the form of what? Space separated words. Is it a list or not? Come on, len of what? X. Is it called number of words? Len of X is different. Len of S is called 21. Number of characters. Len of X is called what? Number of words. 5. Are you following? So how do you find the number of words in a given line? Split it in the form of list. Count the number of elements in the list. That is about what split function is doing. Are you able to follow? Next, S is equal to something like 0, 6, 0, 5 and 2024. 2024. Somebody is asking, get the month separately, get the year separately, get the date separately. DD separately, separately, year separately. What is the separator? Separator ante. What is the separator? Hyphen. Hyphen modubavulu. Hyphen is a separator. Hyphen is a separator. Hyphen is a separator. Hyphen is a separator. This hyphen I want. Hyphen separating words. Here what separating words? Space separated words. Here which separated words? Yes. If I call normally X is equal to S dot what? Split, no? It is going to be taken only one word only. Print X. Print X. X will print as it is like that. But I don't want that. What I want? X is equal to S dot split off within the double quotes. Within the double quotes hyphen. Whatever the symbol is there that I am writing. S dot split off. That data will be split. 06 will kept into X. 05 will kept into X. 2024 kept into X. So print of what now? X. Is it coming or not? Print of what? DD is equal to comma what? X of 0. X of 0. Got it or not? Print of what now? Is equal to what? X of 1. X of 1. YY. Y is equal to. YY is equal to. What is this now? Year. I'm talking about. Am I getting or not? Like that. Next. S is equal to Apple. hyphen mango hyphen, that is the at the rate hash symbol. Something like kiwi, like this. I am writing something like this, like this. Now I want hash separated words. Hash separated words means what? Apple, mango, kiwi, one word only. Goa is called what? Another word. How do you do? X is equal to yes dot. Come on. Yes dot what? Split off. Hash. Hash. I'm writing. Yes dot split off hash, which is going to print. What is this now? X. X. X is going to contain apple separate, mango separate, mango, kiwi, one word only with no separation because there are hyphen separation. I'm not getting hash separation. Print of that. I'm getting apple, mango, kiwi, and Goa. Are able to follow? So this is the data we are having. If you want to split again, how can you do it? I will take it. Y is equal to. How do you locate this? 0th one, first one. X of 1. X of 1 dot what? Split of what? Hyphen. Hyphen. Y is going to contain what? Y. Y. Y is going to contain. You please mango, you replace this. How do you replace? Madhubavalo, how do you replace? X of 1 is equal to Y of 0. Y of 0. X of 1. This is X of 1 or not? What is this now? Y of what? 0. Replacing. Replaced. Print of what? X. Mango. Kiwi is there or not? Kiwi you inserted which place? Goa place. So Goa will go to further or not? How do you insert? X dot insert of. X dot insert of. Minus 1 comma. Minus 1 comma. Y of what? 1. What a beautiful subject. Print of X. They are all things explained. Insert, replacement, everything explained. If you don't read, what can I do? So, online students, this is about which function? Split function. What is the use of split function? What is the use of split function? Dividing the string data into, come on, different words, breaking the sentence into different pieces. I'm going to write it, split off, and split off what? Delimiter, delimiter, delimiter. I'm taking this one. So I'm going to take up delimiter. There I'm writing like this. I hope you are understanding, students. So all these things you will get the notes. Perfect notes will come with a written list. Everything I will show you that. Clear on? Split, split of delimiter. See how many functions. If you remember all of them, you are superpower. One more. Sixth. Split opposite. Split opposite. Hmm? Split opposite. Bad opposite. Hmm. Split opposite. Huh? Add up. So it is. Sivakasi is good student. Join. 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 Online, online, offline student. Oh, like that. Because you are in tapasu, doing tapasu. Already you become senior citizen now. So coming to the point of it. Now I'm going to take it. See, now I'm going to take it. S is equal to Python is an functional programming language. Language. S dot some x is equal to what is this now? S dot what? S dot split off. Split off. Print of what? X comma type of what? X. What is that now? List. This is what is explained. Correct? Today, I will take into what LST is equal to. This data, I will take it. This data, I will take it. Print of what now? LST, comma, type of what? LST. What it is going to be? List. Now I want to prepare a line of text. I want to prepare a line of text. To prepare a line of text, I must join. Shall I join it? How to join? Joined with what? Joining with what? Space. These words are connected with what? Space. Take one value with a space. S is equal to space. One single space. Why? Each word must be connected with a space. Now, S is equal to S dot join of what? LST. Each value of LST joined with S. With what is the value of S? Space. Every value of LST must be joined with what? Space. Python joined with space. Python is joined with is space. Like that, all the joined letters are kept in where again? S only. Suppose if I don't write S is equal to, you see, answer is coming. Answer is coming or not? But if I print yes now, it will print space only because you already know that. Space only it will print. If I write yes, only space is printed. If I write it, what is that? Already I said to you, LST space. If I write LST is equal to, I'm keeping what? Result keep it in where? Yes. That time you print yes now. That time you print yes. You print this yes. Yes. Now this is an answer is coming. What did you understand? Line into words, words into line. What is the function name? Join function. Very, very important. This is called what? Line into words, words into what? Line. So I hope this part I am going to take up. Under which function it is? Join function. Online students, I hope it is more comfortable. So go to the example part. What is the function name? Join off. Join off. Join off. This is the join off data. Next, I'm going to talk about one more thing. Careful enough. Here I'm going to write it. Be careful. S is equal to Python is an OOP language. S dot is my sentence starts with Python. Come on. Is my sentence starts with Python? Simple. When you take your mobile contact list, when I'm taking Naresh, N-A, all the letters starts with N-A, N-A will come or not? Nares. All the names starts with that name will come or not? Like that. Is it starts with Python? Is it starts with lang? Come on. No. No. So I want to take one function. What is the function name? 17th function I am talking. Starts with. Starts with. 18th function I will write what? Ends with. Ends with. Starts with, ends with, returns true or false. If the value starts with a specified thing, it returns true. Otherwise, returns what? False. Same thing ends with also. Returns true when it is ending with, otherwise returns. Let me show you the example. Yes, a dot starts with Python. Yes, a starts with Python. Come on. True. Yes, it is starting with. Yes, a dot starts with a lang. False. Are you following? Can I ask one question? Yes dot starts with uh, THON. Come on. False or true? No? False. Suspectingly saying. False or true? No? 100% false. Yes dot starts with PYT. Come on. True. 100% true. Because it is starting with PYT. Yes, true. S dot starts with P. True. Similarly, S dot ends with S dot ends with lang. True. S dot ends with Python. False. S dot ends with ANG. True or false? True. True. Is it ending with ANG only now? Yes. S dot ends with AN. False. Why? The S dot ends with G. Huh? True. Are you following me? This is about starts with, ends with. Starts with, ends with. Easy or difficult? Hmm? Easy. Next, 19th. See how it is coming. It's going on coming like L strip. Spell out. L strip. L strip. Spell out. Right. Look at S is equal to, I'm giving space, 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 space. Python I am taking. So this data Python is padded with what? Left some unwanted spaces are there. Print of S, comma, len of S. How many letters are there? 10 letters are there. Actually, Python, how many? 6. Extra 4 letters are what? Spaces. I want to eliminate the left padded spaces. For that, S dot L strip, strip, L strip, that will go for giving, eliminating that. And that result I will keep it in where? S itself. Are you following me? Now see that print of S and len of S. How many? 6. Is it eliminated or not? Yes. Are you able to follow? Did you understand? Yes. What is the use of L strip? L strip eliminate the left padded spaces. Are you following me? Right. S is equal to, look at Python space, space, space. These spaces are what? Right padded space. What is the function name? Come on. Good. You studied already, huh? Huh? Studied already. Oracle. Oracle you studied. So, R strip. Because they will have fear. Sir may ask some other question. L strip and what? R strip. So go to the place. Done. So, yes of. What is this now? 9. So print of what? Yes. Yes, you print it. 9. You say what strip now? R strip you say. R strip you eliminate. So R strip you eliminate. Print of this yes, sir. What is happening? 6. Are you following? L strip will eliminate left padded. R strip will eliminate what? Right. Good. Look at S is equal to space, 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 Python, space, 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 space. This is padded with what? Left and then right. I want to eliminate what? Both of them. For that, what is the function? Print of what? Yes. It is going to have what? Here space is there like this. Now I want to, what is the function name? Come on. L strip, R strip. Now what strip? LR strip. Aim students. Strip. Function name is called strip. That's why you are not becoming powerful candidate. You are preparing your own Python, you know. So strip is a function name. Strip is a function name. Go to the place. S is equal to S dot what? Strip. Strip. You print that S here. it is going to print 6 only. These are the important concept. If you print S is dot LR strip, if you print it, LR strip, if you print it, you will get left and right. Your Python, student Python, this is because you have a lot of knowledge is there. That knowledge computers will not accept it. Computers will not accept it. Okay, now students, that's why you don't prepare any topic by yourself. L strip, next is what? R strip, and next is what? Come on, strip, strip. So under that, I am giving example. This is about functions. In further, some more functions I will tell you. What are that? Encoding functions I'll tell you. Encoding, decoding functions contains, replace. I will tell you those functions. Right now, don't worry. In the encoding level, I'll tell you. These are the functions present in where? STR. Now, if you are really concentrating, when you are going to hostel, on the way when you are moving, you'll go on memorizing. What's R set 21? You will count on the fingers. You'll count on the fingers. Will you remember? You will not remember even 5 also. I think so. Will you remember? How many? 21. 21 or 10? Okay, anyhow, students, try to remember all of them. Anyhow, try to remember. Nirkar Behrao. If there is no left space and having right space, we write strip function. Will it work? Why the doubt is? Why the doubt is? So I am writing S is equal to S is equal to, here I am writing Nirkar. So I am writing Nirkar. And one more thing, Behrao. And you have some space in the middle also. And I'm having space like this. S dot what? Print S of len. It is going to print. This space only will remove. This will not remove the spaces in the middle of it. It won't remove the spaces in the middle of it. S dot what now, students? I will say what? S dot what? Strip. You print that, you are going to get what? That spaces are eliminated. Behra, are you following me? Eliminated or not? This is printed. If you want to eliminate this space also, what you will do? Join up. Split and join. Split and join. How do you join? And in a single line, I will write. Since we are a professional, I will write what? I'll directly write what, students. Yes dot. Yes dot what I will write. Split off like this. Dot what? Because of split, what will happen? List of values will come. That I will join with what? Some space. How do you go for it? I'll go for it. I'll write it with like this. Dot what? Join off. I will write like this. I'll write like this. That's all. Single line writing like this. Done. So, strip will work only for what? This kind of thing. He invented something. Dheeraj is invented something. So, he invented something. We'll see that what is his invention. S is equal to like this. S is equal to like this. Now sees that. S dot what? Bring this entire thing. This one you go for it. S dot what? Split off. What is happening? Done. Whatever space you are there, you are removing that. That means you are passing what? What you want to eliminate, you are passing. That also will be eliminated. So strip with what? Delimiter also you can use. So strip with a delimiter also we can use. So Dheeraj, keep it up. Good student. So here, or what is this now? L strip. L strip of what? Delimiter. Delimiter. I am writing here passing delimiter. And R strip of delimiter. R strip of delimiter. or strip of delimiter. Here also what strip of delimiter and a common delimiter. Left side one delimiter, right side one delimiter. It is not possible. Common delimiter is required. So I'll take this type of thing also I will take up. I hope strip related example I put it, I think so. So this kind of example, I'll keep it here. So I think, so done. Last part I will keep it. Only that special point I will write it. All those things I written it. This part you take it. And this symbol also, it is eliminated. This is about the concept of what? String related functions. Some more functions are there that I am explaining in the another moment of it. Are you okay? So now time is getting over. I'll stop it and tomorrow class I'll go for as usual loops I will start with. Don't miss the concept. Thank you. All the best. Students in online, any doubts? You can raise your hands. I'll clarify your doubts. Any more doubts, students? Kotesh. Kotesh. Okay, Jagdish.
Good evening, sir. Hello.
Kotesh, tell me.
Sir, yesterday class I have doubts, sir.
Tell,
Yesterday, previous class,
tell me. You will
I can I share my screen?
not your. If you tell, I will.
Yesterday we wrote a string values addition multiplication. You say
Uh,
I don't know how to join that one and the case one linking.
case one.
Wait, sir, I will copy paste. Very lengthy. Sir, not sending message possible.
Oh, that's how. It's very easy, my dear student. That's why I did the last example. If you have any doubt, tomorrow class, I look into that. Okay, now class, will tell you that. Srinu, triangle problem, so you have not done. Circle, square, this, up, it's simple. Anyhow, I will see in the next class. Next class, I will explain. Any more doubt, students? Okay, students, take care. And tomorrow class, I'll go for loops. And if I give an homework, you must be able to do that. Very simple things I gave as a for it. So if you are not able to do such a small things, how students? Any of the one I will concentrate on it. Copy down these notes and try to work on it.